Hello students, good morning. Welcome back to all of you in the online class of English run by Rastan Academy, Churu. Students, our running topic is tense. Today we are going to study about the use of present continuous tense. We have already read about this tense. It has three helping verbs: is, am or are. Is with singular number, are with plural number, and am with I pronoun. Main verb of this tense is first form plus a ing. So these are two main things of this tense: helping verb is, am, are, and main verb first form plus a ing. Today we are going to study about where to use present continuous tense. Students, there is a sentence in the exam and question is fill correct form of the verb. Our question is fill correct form of the verb. We say see, he, and main verb is read, and there is a adverb. This is now. Which tense should be used in this tense? Present simple, present continuous, present perfect, present perfect continuous, past simple. We see there is an adverb. This is now. Now shows continuity and present. नाउ क्या दिखाता है हमें? कंटिन्यूटी एंड present. तो present and continuity is used in present continuous tense. So he is singular, so we use is, and first form read plus ing, reading. He is reading now. According to now, we use present continuous tense in this sentence. Next, there are some adverbs. To see these adverbs, we can know which tense should be used in the following sentences. These adverbs are the following: now, look, listen, today, tonight, still, at this time, at this time, at this moment, at present. If we see these adverbs in a sentence, we must use present continuous tense. Now, look, listen, today, tonight, still, at this time, at this moment, and at a present. If we see any of these adverbs in a sentence, we must use present continuous tense. Look at these sentences. The first sentence is she play at this time. We see at this time is a adverb that shows present continuous tense. At this time shows present continuous tense. In the present continuous tense, she is a singular subject, so we use helping verb is and first form plus ing, playing. is playing at this time. The next sentence, they go to Jaipur today. There is a adverb which is today, and today shows present continuous tense. The activity is going to happen in present continuous tense. So there is a plural number subject. We use helping verb are and first form go plus ing going. Next, we blank take tea now. Now is an adverb which shows continuity and present, so we use present continuous tense. We are taking tea. Another example, cotton, still, verb stick, in their beards. Still, stick in their beards. Next, look, an old man run after the bus. The third one is she knit scarf these days. देखिए, the first sentence is cotton, still, stick in their beards. The adverb is still shows present continuous tense. Cotton is a singular number subject, so we use is, stick, sticking. Cotton is still sticking in their beards. This second sentence, look, an old man run after the bus. Look is an adverb which shows present continuous tense. An old man, singular number subject, helping verb is, run, running. Look, an old man is running after the bus. The next one, see, knit a scarf these days. Adverb is these days. These days shows present continuous tense, so we use present continuous tense in this sentence. Helping verb is according to C, knit, knitting. She is knitting a scarf. Students, this is the video for use of present continuous tense, and to use present continuous tense we must have learned some adverbs which we have already studied. And look, again repeat these adverbs to remember. The most important thing are adverbs, which are the following. We have already studied about this. Again, today, tonight, in these days, still, now, nowadays, look, listen, look, listen, still, in at this time, at this moment, it is. These are the most important adverbs to use present continuous tense. If we say any of these adverbs in any sentence, we must use present continuous tense. Thanks.